Hello? Is this on? A big blue thing has been found on North Carolina. His type is unknown. Scientists are investigating what it is and his name is maybe Shin Sonic. Sonic is a fiction games character but we don't know how he go to reality. North Carolina's police send helicopters and a lot of policemen to keep you safe. Do not go outside and stay in your house with resources and a gun. God.
It looks like it's slow. It's massive so it may be slow.